Yes, parachute coconut oil is 100% pure and is graded as edible oil by the FSSAI, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, making it safe for consumption. It is frequently used for both cooking and personal care applications, hair and skin. Key details: purity. The product is marketed as 100% pure coconut oil with no added chemicals, scents, additives, or preservatives. Safety standards. It undergoes a 5-stage purification process and 27 quality tests to ensure it is safe for consumption and application. Manufacturing process. The manufacturing process is generally understood to be a heat press method using dried copra rather than the cold press method. This method is why it is cheaper than cold-pressed or virgin coconut oils. While it is a food-safe process, some nutrients might be lost compared to the cold-press method, as noted in the video snippet you provided. Legal classification. The manufacturer, Marico, successfully argued in the Supreme Court of India that their pure coconut oil is an edible oil, primarily for tax purposes, unless specifically marketed as a cosmetic with additives. Conclusion on drinking it: while it is safe to consume, you should treat it like any other cooking oil and use it in moderation as part of a balanced diet, as it is high in saturated fats. The health benefits of directly drinking large amounts are mixed in research, and moderation is key. If you are looking for maximum nutritional benefits, the suggestion from your provided text to use wood or cold-pressed coconut oil is generally correct, as these methods retain more natural compounds and a milder aroma. That's an insightful observation about the price differences between regular and cold-pressed coconut oils. As an AI, I don't use products myself or have personal preferences like humans do, so I can't share which type of coconut oil I use. However, I can confirm the general differences in production methods and nutritional content you mentioned. Cold-pressed and wood-pressed oils are produced using minimal heat, which helps preserve more of the natural nutrients, antioxidants, and flavor compounds. This process is slower and yields less oil per batch, which is why they are typically more expensive. Regular or hot-pressed oils involve higher heat and sometimes chemical solvents to extract the maximum amount of oil efficiently. They are refined, making them more affordable and giving them a neutral taste and longer shelf life, while still being safe for daily use. Your recommendation to choose based on nutritional goals versus economy is a practical approach. Many people weigh these factors when deciding which type best suits their needs. The choice between regular and cold-pressed coconut oil depends on your priorities, as regular oil is cheaper for daily use, while cold-pressed offers more nutrients and flavor. Regular coconut oil is processed with heat, making it more economical and still safe and pure for everyday cooking. For those seeking the highest nutritional value, including antioxidants and fatty acids, cold-pressed or traditional wood-pressed oil is the better option, as the low-heat or no-heat extraction process preserves more of the natural goodness. To determine if coconut oil is real or
कोकोनट ऑयल
fake,
पीने वाली वीडियो
you can
देखकर
rely
लोग
on
घबरा गए
labeling
हैं, तो आज मैं भी ये ट्राई
information
करने वाला हूँ।
and perform
क्वांटिटी मैंने
simple
कम ली है,
tests
लेकिन ये
based
पीने से
on
कोई
its
नुकसान
natural
नहीं
physical
होगा क्योंकि
properties.
100% एडिबल
Check
ऑयल
the
है,
label.
यानी कि खा भी
Genuine
सकते हो और
coconut
लगा भी
oil
सकते
should
हो।
have a
पैराशूट कोकोनट ऑयल
transparent
सस्ता तो
label
है, बट
that
किस
clearly
प्रोसेस से बना है ये
states
कंपनी ने नहीं बता रखा। तो अगर आपको खाना ही है तो आप इसकी बजाय 100% वुड या
pure
कोल्ड प्रेस मेथड
coconut
से बना
oil.
कोकोनट ऑयल ले लीजिए, जिसमें
No
ज्यादा न्यूट्रिएंट्स
preservatives
बचते हैं। एंड
or
गलती से आप
chemicals
ये वाला
added.
पैराशूट कोकोनट
The
हेयर ऑयल मत
extraction
पी लेना, क्योंकि
methods
दिखने
such
में
as
दोनों ही सेम
virgin,
है। इसमें कोकोनट ऑयल के साथ
cold-pressed,
वेजिटेबल
or
ऑयल भी मिलाया गया है, लेकिन कौन सा मिलाया है
unrefined,
ये नहीं
which
बता
are
रखा।
typically of higher
साथ में
quality.
आर्टिफिशियल फ्रेग्रेंस और
It should
प्रिजर्वेटिव
not
भी है
list
इसमें।
any
बाकी
other
पैराशूट
oils
कोकोनट ऑयल
like
भी मुझे खास
palm
नहीं लगे,
or
क्योंकि इन
mineral
दोनों में मिनरल
oil,
ऑयल मिला
which
रखा है,
are
जो कि
common in
पेट्रोलियम से ड्राइव किया
adulterants.
जाता है। इसमें सारी
Simple
जानकारी
home
नहीं दी है,
purity
तो बाद में
tests
लगाने के लिए मैं
fridge
100%
slash
कोकोनट ऑयल
freezer
यूज करूंगा इन
test
सब की
this
बजाय। आप
is
कौन सा
one of the
पैराशूट का यूज
most
करते हो, कमेंट्स
reliable
में जरूर बताइए।
methods,
दोस्तों,
as
कौन सा
pure
कोकोनट ऑयल
coconut
बेस्ट है?
oil
पतंजलि,
solidifies
पैराशूट,
at
बजाज या फिर
temperatures
डाबर का,
below
ये चारों
around
कंपनीज क्लेम
24
करती है कि
degrees
100% प्योर
Celsius,
ऑयल है, यानी कि खा लो
75 degrees
चाहे सिर्फ बालों में लगा लो।
Fahrenheit.
लेकिन क्या ये
Place
इतने
a
बढ़िया
small
हैवी?
amount of
इनके
the
इंग्रेडिएंट
coconut
बिल्कुल
oil
सिंपल
in
है,
a
सिर्फ
clear
कोकोनट ऑयल तो
container.
कोई केमिकल और एडिटिव्स
Refrigerate
नहीं
it
है।
for an
तो
hour,
टेक्निकली खाने के लिए
or
सेफ है,
place
लेकिन
it
मैं
in the
इन्हें बेस्ट नहीं
freezer for a
मानता।
short
इसका एक
time.
बड़ा रीजन है कि इन
Observe.
कंपनियों ने कभी नहीं बताया
Real
कि किस
slash
मेथड से
pure
ये
oil
कोकोनट ऑयल
will
एक्सट्रैक्ट करते
solidify
हैं। देखिए, सबसे
uniformly
बेस्ट मेथड
into
होता है
one
वुड प्रेस और कोल्ड
consistent
प्रेस।
white,
इसमें सबसे ज्यादा
solid
न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रिजर्व
layer.
होते हैं, लेकिन ये बहुत
Fake
महंगा पड़ता है।
slash
ये देखिए, ये चारों
adulterated
ब्रांड्स
oil
भी
will
कोल्ड
have
प्रेस कोकोनट ऑयल
separate,
देती है, लेकिन उसका
uneven
प्राइस है
layers
600
of
रुपए से
oil.
ज्यादा 1 लीटर का।
Liquid on
लेकिन इन
top,
कोकोनट ऑयल का प्राइस
solid
आधा भी
below.
नहीं है, तो आई एम श्योर
Due
कि
to
कोल्ड प्रेस
different
मेथड
oils
से तो
having
नहीं बने। तो
different
शायद ये
freezing
कोल्ड प्रेस
points,
मेथड से बने हो, जिसमें
or it
न्यूट्रिएंट्स थोड़े
may
से
not
कम हो जाते हैं।
solidify
प्राइस
at
वाइज ये
all.
बढ़िया है, आप यूज
The
कर सकते हो।
smell
आपको
and
कौन सा
taste
फेवरेट है,
test
कमेंट्स में जरूर
real
बताइए।
slash pure oil has a mild, fresh, and natural coconut aroma and a pleasant coconut taste. Fake slash adulterated oil may have no smell, a chemical smell, or a burnt slash rancid odor slash taste. The heat test: heat a small amount of the oil in a pan over a medium flame. Real slash pure oil will heat up normally and release the natural, fresh aroma of coconut. Fake/adulterated oil may start frothing at a low temperature and give off a burnt or artificial smell. The water test: add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to a glass of water and let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Real/pure oil will solidify and stay together, floating on the surface. Fake/adulterated oil may start mixing with the water or form streaks/bubbles, which indicates it contains other liquids/oils. Using coconut oil as an overnight hair treatment can deeply moisturize and strengthen your hair from the scalp to the ends, leading to improved overall hair health. The extended absorption time allows the oil to fully penetrate the hair shaft, reducing protein loss and helping to prevent damage. Overnight benefits for hair and scalp-intensive moisture and shine. The deep conditioning that occurs overnight helps lock in moisture, smoothing the hair cuticle and leaving your hair with a healthy, natural shine. Reduced frizz and split ends. For those with dry, damaged, or frizzy hair, an overnight application can be particularly effective. It hydrates and nourishes brittle strands, which helps mend and prevent split ends and controls frizz. Strengthens hair. The primary fatty acid in coconut oil, lauric acid, can penetrate the hair shaft deeply to reduce protein loss. This strengthens the hair, making it more resilient and less prone to breakage. Promotes hair growth. Massaging coconut oil into the scalp improves blood circulation, which helps stimulate hair follicles and fosters a healthy environment for hair to grow longer and stronger. Treats dandruff and scalp irritation. Coconut oil has natural antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help soothe an itchy, dry, or flaky scalp. It helps balance the scalp's microbiome to prevent conditions like dandruff. How to use coconut oil as an overnight mask. Applying coconut oil as an overnight hair mask is a simple and effective treatment. Warm the oil. Coconut oil is solid at room temperature. For easy application and better absorption, gently warm it until it becomes liquid. Do this by placing the jar in a bowl of hot water or rubbing a small amount between your palms. Section your hair. Separate your hair into sections to ensure you can distribute the oil evenly from your scalp to your ends. Massage into scalp. Use your fingertips to massage a small amount of oil into your